What's up, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? How's everybody doing? All right. Not a bad recovery day so far today, guys. Looking nice and juicy. All right, let's get into it, guys. Let's get right into it. Sorry, I'm running a little behind, guys. It's my little guy's. It's his 4th birthday today, so I still got to go do a bunch of. I still got to go do a bunch of shopping for him. I got to go pick up a cake still. I got to go pick up some more presents. All kinds of fun stuff like that, guys. So still got lots and lots of running around to do there. Excited though. Little guy's 4th birthday. So very, very cool. Very, very cool. Nick, what's up, man? Crypto culture. Let's go, Jasmy. 100%. 100%. Haas, love buying the dips on Jasmy. Absolutely, man. Me too. Nick, luckily I got the 2035 dip. Nice. Crypto culture, why would you sell now? That's just crazy. Too much momentum to sell prior to roughly 20 cents. Oh, exactly. 100%. 100% agree with that. Even if you were only going to go to like 20 cents, right? It's still way too early to sell, guys. Way too early. People are crazy thinking about that. We're pre-halving. We're pre-halving, and there's people trying to convince other people that that the bull run is over. Like, it's ridiculous. What do we got? Haas agreed. Would still like to see the 3 cent level before the halving. Oh, of course. Jasmy's pumping pretty hard though. Look at that. It's up 10% on the day, guys. 10.7%. The rest of the market looks like complete horse manure. Well, Ondo's pumping pretty good, but outside of that, Robo's 50 push-ups. You got it, brother. Actually, funny story. It's actually chest day at the gym, so I will be doing 50 push-ups. So there you go. Beebs, what's up, buddy? Good afternoon, future crypto millionaires. Beebs, Jasmy scam. Crypto culture, yeah, 3 to 5 cents would be nice prior to the halving. Going to be tough. Beers, yeah, Beebs, beers. Facts, you guys millionaires yet? We're all millionaires. I am millionaire. We're all millionaires. Crypto Homes, what's up, buddy? What's up? Good to see you. No excuses. Push-ups, 100%. Chest day, no packs, no shacks, right, guys? Got to get it done. What do we got? Nick, it's your kid's birthday. Happy birthday, little man. Make this a short stream so you can spend the day with him. You don't owe us anything. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, my friend. Absolutely, man. Spent most of the morning blowing up 100,000 freaking balloons, so I'm all out of breath from that. So I just got to go get one of those like helium tanks or something to fill up balloons from now on instead of blowing them up myself. Rob Proppy says, what? Pull back? Absolutely. Let's have a look, man. Is Proppy pulling back juicy or what? It's up 10%, man. You did me dirty. It's not pulling back at all. Proppy's got no chill. What's your thoughts on AMPcoin and how high do you see it going? I'm neutral on AMP, to be honest with you. I do not hold any. AMP had a fantastic bull run last time around. 2021, AMP did fantastic. And I think that AMP is a decent project. I just feel like there's better plays out there at this time. Because, I mean, I could see AMP topping its all-time high. I could see it going 15, maybe 18 cents, something like that. But maybe higher, maybe 20, 25. We'll see. Depends, right? But I just feel there's other plays out there that have more potential return on investment. But AMP is a good project. Don't get me wrong. I like them. So, Armed to Fight You, what's up? Hello, everyone. I'm getting ready to buy once again. Let's go. Absolutely. Market dumping, Jasmy pumping. You love to see it, guys. Guys, what happened the last time the market was dumpy and Jasmy was pumpy? Jasmy ended up pumping 350%. So you love to see it. Good evening, fam. What volatility today? Yes, absolutely. Ugh. Chris, Jasmy new all-time high this run, in my opinion. I hope so, Chris. I hope so, brother. Crypto Goddess, how are you? Hello, multimillionaire family. Hello, hello. Aloha, Ryan. What's up, buddy? Good morning, good morning. Guys, if you're new, make sure you're smashing the subscribe button. Be a part of the family here. And yeah, let's get into it here, guys. Shane, good morning, my friend. Beebs, hey Rob, what's your thoughts on Origin Trail track? This project combines RWA and AI. What's the ticker? Track. Reasonable market cap. Reasonable. Good tokenomics. Most of the supplies in circulation. All-time high. We got AI, RWA, DPIN, yeah. All-time high was 2 years ago, 350. Got some decent listings. What do they do? Is my favorite shoe brand really sustainable? Seems like an interesting play. Yeah. I dig it, man. I dig it. Not a bad play, Beebs. Not a bad play. Pretty decent, man. I expect the market to boom by the end of this week. Yes, I hope so, man. Listen, guys, I've been going over the last couple of days. I've been telling you guys why the market has been suppressed, right? There's no grand conspiracy. Just it's been some shitty timing with the DXY pumping, with Grayscale dumping on the market, CPI numbers coming in, very, very bad. So I mean, it's just been a combination of crap, right? So, can we get a price prediction on Rob Inu? $1 million. Man, I got small bag of Jasmy almost to 10K, but I want to get to 1 million. Hey, man, you know what? Every single time you DCA, whether it's $10, $100, or $1,000, man, it's a drop in the bucket. Sooner or later, that bucket's going to be full, brother. Right? DCA, that's the way. Every little bit. Every little bit. Thoughts on Graph? Been dropping a lot. I love the Graph. Graph's a great project. I think Graph will do great. Is it dropping? Yeah. I mean, I think it's a decent. I mean, I wish I had got in on the Graph way down when it was like 5-6 cents. I was thinking about it, and I never did, and I should have, but I didn't. So that sucks. But Graph's a good project. AI correlated, right? It's got the DPIN tag. Yeah. Graph will do very, very well, in my opinion. I don't know if it's going to get back to its all-time high, but it should at least, maybe, it could get back to its all-time high. Yeah, it could. It could. Market cap's a little high, but it could get there. A lot of missiles flying around. Yeah, I know. But missiles of awesomeness on Crypto Future. Yo Mars, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. See if I didn't even check. Are we streaming? Are we live over on X or what? Yeah, we are live on X. You love to see it, guys. You absolutely love to see it. Yes, smash that subscribe button, guys. Let's get it going here. Let's get it. Beebs, what's up, brother? Nicholas, yo, what's up, Nicholas? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, guys, let's have a look around the market and see what's going on, shall we? Let's have a look around the world. Boom. What do we got? KJ runs the official Telegram for Junction. Says this weekend the Teams event will be held in Tokyo. Teams is a Web3, another Web3 event, guys. I believe it was yesterday and today that's being held. Junction will also have a booth there, and they'll be participating. So please come meet us, they say. So We're going to get further into that, guys. So Haro was there again today speaking at another, this is his third Web3 event in a month that Hara has been a speaker at, guys. He's out there putting in the work. You'll love to see it, guys. You absolutely love to see it. That's our fearless leader, man, putting in the work. You know what I mean? Egrad, looking at the DXY, guys, the dollar, right? We need the dollar to crash if we want to see crypto pump. Okay, so that's very, very important here. And right now we are, so Egrad says it appears that the 106 could be forming a double top on the DXY. If this pattern plays out, we might witness an epic drop back to 93 cents. So guys, this is on the what time frame is this? This is the 1 week, right? So we need the DXY right here. We need to reject right here where it is, and we need it to crash back down so that we can see crypto and risk on assets start to pump again, right? So that's what we're waiting for. Once this happens, and it's going to come, once it happens, markets are going to fly, guys. Markets are going to fly. Very, very bullish stuff. What else do we got? Check it out, guys. Breaking news. Jasmy Incorporated app listed on Apple Store. You'll love to see it. Segen Tosu fan token, guys. This is the fan token, right? Jasmy to claim a spot in the top 50 market cap sooner than expected. You'll love to see it, guys. You absolutely love to see it. Very bullish. Richie Rich, what's up, homie? What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Beebs. Rob is OPUL like a Spotify. The Spotify of crypto seems like a solid project, decently low market cap. OPUL. OPUL. Let's have a look. 20 cents. Oh, it's under. It's $93 million market cap. It's under $100 million market cap. Tokenomics look good. It's RWA and it's music, right? So, I mean, I like this because there's not a whole crap load of competition in the niche. I know that LimeWire is trying to do something similar over on Algorand, right? But yes, very, very decent project. I agree, Beebs. Market cap's reasonable. All-time high is achievable again. Yes, I do like it, man. I do like it. What do we got? Craig just got here because I'm at work. What's up with Ondo? I bought 1,600 Ondo yesterday, and Ondo and Jasmy, my only two assets, holding strong. Yeah, both Ondo and Jasmy, both pumping. Great picture, Craig. Richie Ritz, excited to see what you're DCAing into today. Yes, I got to put all my buy alerts out there, guys. I'm going to do it as soon as this stream is over. I get so much going on. Like I said, it's my son's 4th birthday today, so I'm running around like a madman. So I have yesterday's DCAs that I got to put up still too. So any reason why Jasmy's pumping whilst others are red? Because it's awesome. No, nothing great happened. There's no bullish news. It's just, guys, listen. When the chart is ready to pump, and it's been ready to pump for a long time, when we've had that long extended period of consolidation, Jasmy has tried to pump up almost every single day for the last week or so, but something has held it back, either the CPI, grayscale dumping, the DXY pumping, right? Jasmy's going to continue until it gets that pump on the charts that it needs to get. It's going to continue to try to pump, right? So, yeah, we're going to get into that chart in a little bit, though. What else do we have going on here? Let's continue down the list here. So we got BTC. BTC is still moving inside the bullish pennant, guys, on the daily time frame chart. People are scared that it's some sort of massive crash or something, and it's really not at the end of the day. And if you zoom out, it's laughable how small it is, right? Still bullish on Bitcoin and expecting new all-time highs in the coming days. You'll love to see it. So, I mean, the same thing with Jasmy. We're inside of our bull pennant still, waiting to continue the upside pumpage, right? So, absolutely. Bitcoin and Jasmy are going to pump together this time. It's going to be epic. What do we got? Check this out, guys. Check it out. Top movers of the day. Boom. Jasmy. Yeah, I think so. Top mover of the day, baby. You love to see it. What do we got over here? Hara. Check this out.
And also the second one, for high quality product, they want to create.
Talking about his high quality product, baby. Here's Hara at his speaking at another Web3 Teams event, guys. Love to see it, man. Like I said, 3 events inside of a month this man has been at. He's very, very busy. Very, very busy. On a side note, guys, just so that you guys know, there's not many of you here right now, but I'm going to let you guys know anyway. I have been actually secretly trying to reach out to Hara to see if I can convince him to give me even 15, 20 minutes of his time to ask him some questions, just so you guys know. So that would be really cool if I could do that. If I can, I'll let you guys know. But I've been trying to get in contact. So we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. It'd be awesome if I could get 15, 20 minutes of his time, you know, have a little chat with him. Be pretty cool. What do we got? Jasmy volume about to go absolutely bonkers. Go ahead and fade this call, but 2 to 3 hours completion of lunchtime in Japan should bring some massive Hulk. Also, just wait when Coinbase daily values clear in the previous grounds which we sat yesterday. Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. The volume is pretty crazy on Jasmy right now. I agree 100% on that. I'll show you the volume soon. Bitcoin dominance hits 3-year high. We should see altcoin season soon. I freaking hope so, man. I freaking hope so. Speaking of the guys, I've been talking a lot about the Hong Kong ETFs and stuff. Check this out. They've already started advertising them out in Hong Kong, guys. Bitcoin ads spotted in Hong Kong subways ahead of the ETF approval. Asia is ready. I've been telling you guys. I've been telling you. Don't sleep on the East. Do you think that we are seeing Jasmy go back down where it came back up today? I don't think so, and I'm going to tell you why shortly, so bear with me. This may seem narcissistic, but it makes me feel good watching people scurry to get 1 million coins now than 6 months ago when a salesman could have convinced them to buy. Couldn't. Yeah, I agree with you, man. I agree. But that's the way that the mentality in the market is, right? That's FOMO. I agree. When Jasmy was like 2 zeros, like a fifth of a cent, a sixth of a cent, nobody wanted to buy it. Now all of a sudden it's 2 cents. Everybody's like, man, I need 1 million. Well, you could have very easily gotten 1 million like in January. In January, you could have had, millions, couple million. Craig, hopefully since Jasmy is holding so strong during this dump that it will explode when the market turns green. Absolutely, man. It's showing a lot of strength. I've invested in 10 projects so far with the few thousands I have invested. Would that be enough? BMO, what I would say, listen, over on the member side on the channel, we do portfolio breakdowns and help with the members' portfolios to try to maximize the return on investment. So if you need help with that kind of stuff, we can look at your portfolio. We can help you round it out, help you maximize the potential profits of your portfolio. You can click the link in the chat or the pinned comments to become a member. It's only $4. And we'll do those. We also have another option. If you don't want to become a member, we also will do one-on-one coaching sessions. If you want to book one of those, you can pay in Jasmy coin for that. But we are there to help you. So if you need that help, like I said, either click the link in the chat in the pinned comments or contact me about a coaching session. No problem. I will help you round out your portfolio, my friend. Exactly, Nick. The days of getting over 200,000, yeah, there are 20,000 tokens for Jazz. Yeah, those were good days though, guys. You gotta admit those were pretty good. It's like $100, 20,000 tokens, man. Epic, absolutely epic. I believe I got Jasmy fever. I got a fever, and the only prescription is more Jasmy. When money talks, nobody checks the grammar. Exactly. I shrink that down to 2 or 3 projects. Got it. Thanks. Taxo just moved my theta to Jasmy, thinking to do the same with the rest. Incredible strength. Yeah, just remember, man, I would always say to remember to be somewhat diversified too, right? You want to have a nice big juicy bag of Jasmy, absolutely. But you also want to make sure that you're well diversified. There's a lot of people that were all in on Terra Luna, for example, and they lost their entire portfolio, went to nothing because they were not diversified. And I will tell you this: do I think that that's going to happen with Jasmy? Of course not. Of course not. However, nobody thought that that was going to happen with Terra Luna before it went under 2, right? Everyone was talking about Luna at $600 at that point, right? That was the price target for it. So that's why it's important to diversify, because no matter how good a project is, no matter how good a team is, right? Life gets in the way, man. Life happens. Sometimes things happen, and you don't want to be your entire portfolio to be in one project, because I don't care how good the project is, you could lose everything, right? It's always that potential. That's why I say you should have at least 4 or 5 projects that you're spread evenly out across, well diversified in different niches, right? You want to have some Web3 gaming, you want to have some AI, right? You want to have some DPIN RWA, you want to have some layer ones, right? You want to have you want to be spread across, maybe sprinkle in a meme or something like that, right? But you want to be well diversified, always, always, always. That's why, guys, that's why I tell you we do coaching sessions to help you figure that out, right? Hello, sir. It's interesting today. Even when the market is red, Jasmy is good. Yes, absolutely. Rob, the OG, back at it like a crack addict, 100%. Jack stacked and fanny packed, man. Long live Spell, by the way. Spell's going to pass Bitcoin in market cap. I have 6 coins, but they're all smashed except Jasmy. Let's go. Nothing wrong with that, man. The DCA is the way. You'll love to see it. Momo, the folks behind Jasmy are taking the slow and steady path, so wouldn't it be more likely when Jasmy explodes the next bull run rather than this? Guys, I like to compare Jasmy in terms of potential to Cardano, right? They're very similar in a lot of ways. The max supply is very similar. The total value locked goals are the same, right? And then at the end of the day, the TVL in Cardano went to like 80% in the last bull run, and Cardano went from 4 cents to almost $4, right? And then you combine that with the fact that the team behind Cardano, they're constantly kicking the can down the road in terms of the development of the network and everything like that. And people get frustrated, but at the same time, they do it right. They don't release something ahead of on schedule if it's not ready, right? If it's full of bugs and it's bad, they don't do it, right? And they wait and they take their time and they do it properly, and their product is stood the test of time so far, and it's a good product, right? Cardano's a good project. There's haters out there of it, but it's a good project, right? Jasmy's team is very, very similar, right? They do things that might take them a little longer, but they do it properly the first time. I don't want a personal data locker launched that has a bunch of bugs in it and stuff like that. And that would be worse for the project. If people started losing money because of glitches and stuff like that, it would go viral, and Jasmy there'd be unstoppable fun about the project, right? I would rather them take their time, launch everything properly, and make sure there's no bugs, nothing for the negative nannies to complain about, right? Or to fun about. So they're very, very similar projects in a lot of those aspects, Cardano and Jasmy. Little late, H. Barbarina, but supporting the channel. I appreciate the support, man. It's always good. Even if you can just pop in, drop a comment, and then you got to go to work or whatever it is, man. Hey, it's greatly, greatly appreciated, man. You pop in, you smash the like, you say, hey, how's it going? Got to go to work, but I wanted to say hi. That's awesome, man. I appreciate that you took even that time to support the channel. That's amazing. KRS, hours left to pick Jasmy at 2 cents. Never again to be seen at these bargain. Exactly. Absolutely, man. You're going to beg, guys, 12 months from now, 12 short months from now, you're going to beg for these prices again, right? I got a fever. The only fix is more Jasmy. H. Barbarina, love this dip. More DCA Jasmy. Scam my man. Scam. Jasmy scam. What else do we got? Yeah, here's Janction sharing more pictures of Hara speaking at another Web3 event. You'll love to see that, guys. You'll love to see it. Like I said, Hara putting in the work, man. He's putting in the work. Now check this out, guys. Bitcoin dominance broke out of an 8-year downtrend. Pain for alts, blame the crypto first. So here's the thing, guys. The higher and higher Bitcoin goes, right? I mean, alts are eventually going to follow. Altcoin season will come, and it's going to be absolutely phenomenal, guys. I'm telling you right now, if you've never experienced the euphoria of an altcoin season, you haven't seen anything. I'm telling you right now, like your head's needs to be on a swivel, man. Everything's going to be pumping like crazy. It's going to be nuts. So I hope that you're ready. I hope you're excited. It's going to be fantastic. Overcome. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Is Jasmy out of the innovation zone at Binance yet? What's the latest on that? There has been complete and utter radio silence from Binance on that topic. So we still don't know. We still have no idea. Out of dry powder when I need it the most. Yeah, that sucks, man. But hey, there's nothing wrong with hodling either, right? Seeing this strength, Binance should be embarrassed to keep it. Yeah, I agree. 100%. Any bullish news on Jasmy today? There's always bullish news on Jasmy today, my friend. Jasmy hype reminds me of Doge when it runs. Yes, exactly. It's got the community, right? It's got a fantastic community. Guys, listen, like, you know what? Here's the thing about you guys, about the Jasmy community. These are my thoughts on it, right? I've been part of the XRP community for, I don't know, 5 years or something like that, right? But I started this channel on the 28th of this month. It will be a year since I started this channel. And I started covering Jasmy. I started doing videos on Jasmy, right? Because I hold Jasmy and I love the project. I love everything about it. So I started doing videos on it and stuff like that, right? And the Jasmy community had welcomed me. You guys didn't know me from a hole in the ground. You didn't have to give a crap about the fact that I was doing videos or anything. I had like 20 subscribers and stuff like that, right? And the Jasmy community really is what has helped this channel grow to what it is today. You guys embraced me, as a content creator, covering Jasmy and stuff like that. And it's such a welcoming and amazing community that Jasmy has. It's so strong. And that just makes me more bullish on it, right? The fact that the community is so amazing, right? I just felt completely embraced by the Jasmy community and accepted, and it's been phenomenal. It's been phenomenal, and I appreciate every single member of the Jasmy community for that. Because again, you guys didn't have to care. You guys didn't have to give a crap, right? But you did, and you guys grew the channel to where it is now, and where it's going to go in the future. And the community is amazing. It's doing good today. Yes, it is very, very good. Binance bought more Jasmy yesterday. Yes. Not surprised, man. I have a fever. We all have fevers. Jasmy at 60 cents would be awesome. 100%. Nick, I'll let you know, man. I don't even remember which realm I'm on right now, to be honest with you. I'll let you know later today. Because I haven't actually logged on to my server in about 2 or 3 days. So I'll let you know which server I'm on, brother. Just bear with me. Craig, Jasmy will surely hit $2 minimum. Absolutely. Haas, tell your little guy happy birthday from all of us, Rob. Absolutely, man. I will make sure that I do. He's so excited about his birthday being today, guys. He's sitting in the living room blowing up balloons himself. He's like he wants to have his. He's so full of sugar right now. He's waiting for his cake and he's waiting for presents and stuff. We're gonna do presents and dinner and all that kind of stuff in about I don't know. Was it 2 now? Probably 2 hours from now. So he's super excited. He wants to open his presents and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. My little guy's 4 years old today. It's fantastic. Net 15 seems suspicious though. Maybe Head and Shoulders. The fifth. Oh yeah, but that's a lower time frame. I wouldn't stress about the lower time frames because I'm going to show you why in a few minutes. So. How many days till the Bitcoin halving? The Bitcoin halving is in the next Bitcoin halving is in 6 days, 6 hours, and 17 minutes, my friend. Sunday's hot. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Guys, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Be greatly, greatly appreciated. Hook a brother up. You know what I'm saying? All right, what else do we got? We got some other things to cover, so let's cover them. I got a little bit of let's do the Ondo coverage first. How about that, guys? I'm really bullish on Ondo. I did a video on it last week. Very bullish on it. Let's talk some Ondo here. So Ondo decouples from Ethereum to see green. Is $1 price next? Ondo decoupled from the wider crypto market as its daily chart remained green, while others bled. In fact, Ondo also managed to outshine the king of altcoins, Ethereum, on the social front. Let's have a closer look at Ondo to see what's going on. While most cryptos' daily charts were red because the market crashed, Ondo chose to move the other way. According to CoinMarketCap, the altcoin appreciated by more than 5% in the last 24 hours. At the time of writing, it was trading at 82 cents with a market capitalization of over 1.14 billion, making it the 77th largest crypto. The position price action also caused investors' confidence in the token to increase. This was supported by the fact that Ondo's weighted sentiment spiked sharply. In fact, the uptick was so sharp that it outperformed Ethereum on this front. Lunar Crush recently shared a tweet highlighting Ondo's growth of this on the social front. As per the same, the token social interaction surged by 117%. The possible reason behind this surge might be related to BlackRock. The altcoin's social volume and value increased after it tested out a newly introduced ability to do near instant conversions between Circle's USDC stablecoin and BlackRock's new BUILD token. However, will the hype around this episode be enough for Ondo to maintain its bull rally? To see which way Ondo might be heading, AMB Crypto analyzed sentiments data. As per our analysis, buying pressure on the token was increasing as its supply on exchanges dropped. Meanwhile, its supply outside of the exchanges highlighted that investors have been accumulating more. However, the supply held by top addresses dropped slightly, indicating that a few whales might have sold their holdings. Its MVRV ratio also seemed troublesome, with the same declining sharply over the last few days. Additionally, a few of the technical indicators also look bearish. For instance, the Chikrin money flow, CMF, registered a downtick, indicating that its price might soon register a correction. Similarly, the MACD projected a clear bearish advantage in the market. Nonetheless, the relative strength index was north, a sign that Ondo might be able to sustain its uptrend. Finally, we then took a look at the high block Capital's data to find possible targets the token might hit if the bull rally lasts. We found that the token might face resistance at 87 cents. A successful breakout above that level could allow the token to reach $1 in the coming weeks. I am very, very bullish on Ondo, guys. I'm looking to get in. Let's have a look right now. How's Ondo doing at this moment? So it's up. It's up, but it's had a little bit of a pullback from then, but still up 15%. So very, very bullish, guys. I really want to get into Ondo, to be honest with you. I'm starting to cover Ondo more and more, so be on the lookout for that. I'm very bullish on the project. Think it's going to do great things. So we're going to stay on top of it. What do we got? Beebs, thanks for all you do. Thanks for all you, Rob. You are appreciated. Have a great day with your son and family. 4th birthday. Beebs, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. And Jasmy, still scam. Still scam. Let's go. Really believe Jasmy hit $2. I believe it can. Richie Rich with the support for the channel, man. Thank you so much, brother. It's always appreciated, man. Gifting out a membership, guys, it means a lot. It really does mean a lot, Richie Rich. Thank you so much, brother. You've been here a long, long time supporting the channel, man. And that is absolutely freaking amazing. Thank you so much, brother. Craig, Richie Rich, you the man. Thanks for the gift. Welcome. Welcome to the group. Yes, absolutely. We have our members only live stream tomorrow, guys. Don't forget that. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure that you are there for that. The members only live stream tomorrow, guys. Click the link in the chat if you want to be a part of it, or click the join button at the bottom of every single video. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. And also smash that subscribe button, guys. Smash it, whack it, crack it, whatever you got to do, right? I'll be there. Awesome, 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 man. Love to see it. What else do we got? Shout out from Deep East Texas. Nice. Texas in the hizzy. I've been weighing Texas as an option, man. I heard that there's some good tax breaks over there in Texas for capital gains. I'm considering it. I'm being honest, man. Jasmy was it was 92 in ranking. Yes, it's moved up so nice in rank. That's another thing that we were actually going to cover. Let's have a look. I'll refresh it here. Where's Jasmy now? Wow. Yeah, look at this, guys. Jasmy ranked. Boom. 77th, guys, in market cap. It's moved up significantly today. It has moved up. How many spots? Oh, freaking. They never tell you over there. 77th. So yeah, so I don't know which one it is. CoinGecko says it's ranked 92nd. CoinMarketCap says it's ranked 77th. It's in the top 100, right? So that's good. This is the best Jasmy channel, and it's not even close. Thank you, Craig. Thank you so much. That was the goal, guys. That was the goal, right? So it's absolutely appreciated, man. Texas and the U.S. government are different. American government has a capital gains tax. Oh, I see. In Coinbase, ranked 80th. Yeah, it's ranked differently in every in 3 different places. So yeah, Rich, very nice of you. Absolutely, Haas. Richie Rich, fantastic supporter of the channel, man. He is absolutely. Look at this. Jasmy now up. Check this out. We're now up 15% on the day, guys. 15%. That's what I told you guys. When it was down, everybody was, everyone was buying. And I was so proud of you guys yesterday. Everyone was buying. Everybody's up so big today because they took advantage of the situation, right? That's amazing. Look at the volume. 303 million, man. Love it. Jasmy's looking great. All right, guys, let's have a look at the chart here. that I got ready for you guys earlier. So this is what's up. Okay. So we crashed below at the bottom outside of the bull pennant, right? But we've now pulled all the way back inside of it. So that's very, very bullish. So now what we have to do in 5 hours, we have 5 hours left, guys. We have to close up inside of this resistance level at 2 cents 2, right? And get back inside this little tiny resistance meets support level here on the daily candle. If we can close inside of here, guys, right? Then we can reestablish ourselves and potentially break out on the daily, maybe tomorrow, right? But right now, like I said, we have to close back inside of here. But it is bullish that we've climbed immediately back up inside of the bull pennant, right? Very, very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Means continued bullish momentum. But we have to close up above 2 cents 2 to get back inside above this support level. And then we need to close another candle above the 2 cents to 8, right? So there's a very, very tight little area here you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'll try to zoom it in as much as I can. Look how tight this area is right here, right? Very, very tight. That's what she said. Jasmy recovered super fast, 100%. Patrick, what's up, buddy? Let's go. Scam. What's up? What's good, brother? What's good, man? Should we expect a reversal in the market on Monday with news of Hong Kong? That could be very, very bullish catalysts on a global scale. Yes. I just showed a little while ago. If you'll see here, I think I closed it already. I just showed a little while ago that Hong Kong has already started advertising in their subway systems their spot Bitcoin ETFs. So we could absolutely see a nice reversal. But again, guys, it depends on a couple of things, right? Namely, this right here. This, not me. This right here, guys. This, we need this to change on the daily, right? Like the DXY is still pumping like crazy. We need this to crash, and we need it to crash hard. If we can get this to crash on a daily candle, we can get a bearish reversal on this, and we are coming up on a double top here soon, guys. Right here, we're coming up on a double top right around 106, right? So if the DXY continues to pump up to this level right here, right, where my cursor is, then we could see a double top reversal and a you know, boom, a plummet to the downside. So or we could see it right now. We could see it right now. We're at a double top right here too. Right here, we're at a double top. So we could see a bearish reversal right here, guys, going into next week. If you can combine a crash on the DXY, if this crashes, if this double tops and crashes to this weekend, right? Actually, Monday. I think it'll crash Monday because it's the weekend, right? So if this crashes on Monday because of a double top, which is very possible, and then bullish news from Hong Kong announcing their spot Bitcoin, which they will announce because they're already advertising it in their subway systems and stuff, right? We could see a very green Monday or Tuesday, right? So keep an eye on that. If this, and I'm going to cover this all weekend, guys. I'm going to be covering the DXY all weekend. We're going to watch it. If this reverses to the downside, big, big pump for crypto. Absolutely. Aman, how you doing, man? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Beebs, Rob with BlackRock in the mix with RWA and Ondo. Can you see Ondo as a top 10 crypto? I could see it. I mean, where's Ondo right now? Where are we ranked anyway right now? Ondo's ranked 85th, right? I could see it in the top 20 realistically, but I mean the top 10 is going to be a hard egg to crack in one market cycle, right? I could see it in the top 15, potentially the top 10 in the next bull run, but this time around that's going to be hard. Maybe top 15, top 20, but I mean, like, what is the 10th highest 10th highest crypto right now in market cap, right? There'll be Toncoin right now at 21, almost $22 billion, right? So let's round it to 22 billion, right? And then we go back over to Ondo. Like Ondo needs to go up like $22 billion in market cap to get into the top 10. It's possible. It's possible, especially in a bull run, right? So, I mean, I would not rule anything out, but that is quite a climb that it has to make, though, right? Top 15, top 20, no problem. No problem. Sometimes projects just run out of steam and they need another bull run, right? Like take Dogecoin, for example, right? Dogecoin, it ran out of steam and it ran out of runway in the last bull run. It got to like 75 cents and then crashed, right? But this time around, I think Dogecoin will smash $1, right? Because it just ran out of road last time. So sometimes it's just a bridge too far in one bull run, and you just need more time. So we'll see how it goes. But I hold a bit of Suku. Crazy when it went from 10 cents to 30 cents a few days ago. Yeah, Suku's a good project too, man. It is definitely a good project. We looked at that a couple of weeks ago like 2 weeks ago, I think, in the members only live stream. Yeah, back down at 18 cents. Good dollar cost average position right now for it. Definitely a good opportunity. All-time high in the bull run, $1.51. Yeah, some good potential there. Do you use cold storage wallets? Yes, I use Ledger. That's my favorite is Ledger, but Tangem is good as well. Decent is okay. But I personally prefer to use Ledger. Phil, hey Rob, will you be covering the AI merger, ASI coin in the future? Yes, absolutely I will. Absolutely, Phil. 100%, man. Patrick with the super sticker, showing the love, showing the support for the channel. Brother, thank you so much, man. You and Richie Rich, man, supporting the channel. You guys are absolutely amazing. Again, guys, as I said earlier today, or like half an hour ago, the Jasmy community has really adopted me, taken me in, and this channel in. It's been almost a year. The end of this month will be a year since we made the channel. We started covering Jasmy, and it was just from day one, the Jasmy community just poured in and supported the channel. There was never any, negativity or anything like that. And it's just the support continues to grow. I really appreciate you guys a lot. I really, really do, man. I'd like to start doing this full time, to be honest with you. I really, really would. So then I could do more live streams and more videos, right? I'll do so many videos, you guys get tired of it. You guys will be like, hey, Rob, stop uploading videos. I'm tired of the notifications all the time. Yeah, Bruno, I need more red. Phil, you deserve way more followers than this no BS channel. Thank you, Phil. Thank you so much, man. I'm hoping we can do that. I'm hoping we can grow it. I was really hoping that we could get to 5,000 subs before the end of the month to hit it for the 1 year anniversary of the channel. But I mean, we need like I don't know, 643 subs by the end of the month. So it's a tall order. It's possible. If you're out there and you're watching and you're not subscribed, you could help us get there by the end of the month. That would be absolutely amazing, man. It would be absolutely amazing. So yeah. So this is what we're watching today, guys. We're gonna watch the daily close. I'm gonna be streaming at 7 my time, which is the 5 hours from now. It's the daily close. We're gonna see how this candle closes today. If we can close above this trend line here at 2 cents too, we're rocking and rolling, right? So we're gonna stay on top of it, man. Boom, Taxo, welcome to the members side, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Tomorrow we have a members only live stream at 1:30 p.m. Central. If you want to be there for that, we're going to drop a couple of micro cap gems that you guys can look at. Yeah, and we're there to help, man. So thank you so much for supporting the channel, becoming a member. It's absolutely amazing, guys. The community's huge over there, honestly. There's over 260 members over on the member side now. Very, very helpful. Everyone, knows something about it, like whether you're asking questions about a cold storage wallet, Tangem, Ledger, whatever, centralized exchanges versus decentralized exchanges. like we do the live streams, and it's like everybody, you know, has input, and we have a good time over there. I really, really enjoy it. It's a great like-minded community on the member side. So, you know, you'll absolutely love it over there. The 15 not looking great. For Jasmy, 15 doesn't matter right now, to be honest with you. Like this is not that big of a deal on the 15. I mean, I don't know. It doesn't look that bad on the 15. I mean, you could actually go like this, right? One could say that we have a falling wedge pattern going on here, right? One could say that that looks actually very, very bullish. So we could see a break to the upside on this falling wedge pattern. So very, very bullish in my opinion. Yeah, I don't know, man. That looks pretty good to me. But if we go back over to the daily, right? If you zoom out on the daily, boom, there you go, right? This is the one we need to watch today, the daily close. This is what's important to us. We need a good daily close. And then tomorrow, guys, listen, if we can get this daily close either today or tomorrow back up over the resistance level at 2 cents too, we also have the weekly close tomorrow as well, guys, which is even bigger, right? So if we can close above the 2 cents 2 level tomorrow on the daily and the weekly, and then we get a reversal in the DXY on Monday, we could see a very green week next week for Jasmy and the entire crypto space, right? So there's potential there, good potential, 50-50 shot at a fantastic week next week, right? So we're going to keep an eye on it all weekend, though. The DXY reversal potentially. All we got to make sure is that Grayscale doesn't dump a crap load on us again when we start to pump, right? But we're going to stay on top of it, man. We're going to watch it, right? So, yeah. But, all right, guys, I am going to go hang out with my son for a little bit. Like I said, it's his 4th birthday. I'm going to go spend a little bit of time with him. Maybe I'll take him to the park for a little bit. I will be back for a live stream around in about 4 hours and 40 minutes. We're gonna do the daily candle close for Jasmy and for Bitcoin as well. So I'll be here doing that live stream. So make sure you guys are here for that in about 4.5 hours. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in about 4.5 hours. Okay, Patrick. I'll see you in 4 hours. Make sure you're there, brother. We need to watch this daily close. All right, guys. Thanks so much.